Hello, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to share this video, guys. It's Juko who appeared on the first reality TV show that Gogo Maweni appeared on or did on DSTV called Izangoma Zodumo. Has basically gone out there to a podcast on YouTube, and he has made some serious, very serious, I must say, and damning allegations against Gogo Maweni, you guys. So, this guys was actually Gogo Maweni's Tosana on the first season of the show, Izangoma Zodumo. Now, what shocks us was when now he revealed that he didn't even have a calling. He didn't really have a calling when one host of the podcast asked him what had happened to his calling. He responded by saying that he was only acting and insinuated that he didn't even have the calling at all. So we were being fooled all the time. Now he emphasized that and said that why would he turn down the money that he was paid? He said that he was a paid actor for the show and not a real Twasana, you guys, and people were quite shocked and disappointed at that statement. He further went on to reveal that the show he further went on rather to reveal that he was actually acting in that show. He said that it's impossible for Idlozi to immediately come out when being called out by a gorilla. He stated that it usually takes some time for Idlozi to come out when it is being summoned by a gorilla. Guys, he went on and shared quite a lot, claiming that he was also bewitched by you know who. And guys, I must say those allegations that he made are so, actually, let me not waste your time, but just quickly insert the clip of him saying everything in his mouth. But before I do that, do make sure that you like this video, you comment, you share it so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Guys, thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this video. I truly appreciate it. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye.
Ubani? Mina actor.
Yo. Hey, so more actor now.
Can you ask more on the trusting part?
Actor.
I'm champion.
Manje lezi zinto lezibuzifana.
Mina actor.
Yazibona uba wes mara.
Shuku nizohlanya.
Ngeke uhlanyiswa ku-actor. Wena bakhona abathi khwazi idlozi livele liphume. Sometimes another ithatha isikhathi lokuthi ithatha isikhathi. Mina actor.
Jump start aba kick start next.
Mina actor.
Manje ama drugs wayibe bathi phela ama drugs.
Begawa.
Menyi.
Waphe mavela manje.
Shut top.
And then
Ngibangiloyile.
manje wayekile.
Ngiyekile ayino umuntu mekangiloyile akasekho phambi kwami.
Sekusela ukuthakatha.
Wawuhlelenza so.
Kanjani?
So.
Nento ezuwa.
Angithi amazinyo.
Kunento engawa.
Remember amazinyo.
Kunento engawa.
Hey, ngehlise posa yami.
Ngiwakhiphe. That's why sometimes unokufila ngathi ngawakhipha.
Yenza so.
Kanjani? Awaphumi, it's permanent teeth.
Afake concrete. Hayi uzilimaza.
Manje wayeuhlelenza so Sjuku serious.
Kanjani? Mina so uyangisukela kanjalo.
Uzama ukuthini manje?
Never.
What are you saying?
Unokenza so Sjuku.
No, right, le mengiluma la amazinyo.
So asibele uzojola nasaka player.
Mara yo like uyaglowa manje.
Kunethenda ezophuma mhlawumbe.
Iyangena.
Lo muntu mekangiloya akasekho phambi kwami.
Yo.
Sela ukuthakatha ama-drugs ayekiwe mara ukuthatha.
Unomika lwena usebungazulu akasekho phambi kwami.
Ah, Sjuku anisabe ikhoqo, yes?
Ngithi uye loyo. Makasekho phambi kwami, awuboni ngiyaglowa. Ngibheke.
Hi. So seven next.
Angisabani.
Bekakuloya? Wawuthi bekakuloya?
Cause mekangiloya.
Hey. Cela ukwehla posa yami.
Strong siyasi. Awu.
Sjuku.
Gerald.
Awusazi
Ungafakazi.
Hayi nami ngiyasaba.
Gerald ubuye bunzimeni ungafakazi.
So, Koko, what advice would you give to the current generation of football players?
Okay, let me put it in my own perspective. I advise